Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GAXY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very, very eventful day in the sense of the chart is now setting up for a very important battle going forward, and this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the video from Tuesday. But the big battleground here is all about the pink line right there. It's on my chart to know. It's the very well-known, the very famous 200 period moving average. I mean, even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of that 200 period moving average, and you know that when the price is up above it, it's one of those areas where you want to see the price stay up above it because it's just one of those key levels. And to be fair and to give credit where credit's due, so far so good. Going back to Tuesday, you can see did a good job bouncing, and then you look at today, late day, and you can see the price is literally sitting right at that level. So the big question going forward is, can this level continue to hold? I have no idea. Nobody knows, but my point here is that from a technical point of view, if it doesn't and the price starts to separate to the downside, at that point, that would be a very bearish situation. Again, I'm not saying that's going to happen. Nobody knows, but that is an important, extremely important technical level. And again, there's no need to take my word for it. Just go look, talk to anybody that's got even a little bit of technical analysis knowledge, and they'll tell you, oh yeah, I've heard of the 200 period moving average. And assuming you're bullish, you want to see the price stay up above that level. And like I said, so far so good. It's holding up above it, but that's the big question. Can the price continue to stay above it? In the event it can, and the price is able to bounce back upwards, well, the big test here remains right up there at 0.035, which is the current value of that level of resistance right there. You can see actually this morning there was an attempted move upwards, and actually the price did peek its head up above that level. Problem is that didn't last very long, and then right back below the price went. So 0.035 going to be that key level of resistance if there is any sort of bounce, but by far priority number one moving into Thursday is staying above that 200 period moving average. So let's see if the price can get the job done or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.